Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a Fiverr affiliate account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here at fiverr.com if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where we can go ahead and sign into our account in the upper right corner. So what you want to do is click the sign in button to log into your account that you want to make an affiliate. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after creating one and logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where we can browse all the sections we can use. We can see our browsing history and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to become an affiliate. So guys, the first thing we want to do to become an affiliate is go ahead and open up the official affiliate page. So we're going to do that by scrolling all the way down right here at the main page. Scroll all the way down until you find the last part of the website where we can see all of the sections right here. And guys, you can see under the community section right here is going to be the affiliates option. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on affiliates. Click on affiliates, and this is going to open up this new page right here where you can see we can get started becoming a Fiverr affiliate. So what you want to do is go ahead and click join now. Click on join now. This is going to take you to this new page where you can go ahead and fill out all the info to become an affiliate at Fiverr. So you want to go ahead and click all the info right here, input it, and then click on next until you finish it. And after you provide all your application info, they will tell you and notify you if you have been accepted as an affiliate, and after that you can get started with earning money on Fiverr as an affiliate. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.